am. Are they not coming with us?
Welcome there. Say cheese. Oh, you look mighty divine today, my lady. Go ahead and say hi to Joan for me.
Now the production is a disaster.
Wait, no! You can't leave me in here. God, oh my god, oh my god.
I don't know.
Oh my god, I don't know.
Like a movie theater.
Oh my god!
The premiere has already begun.
Oh my god!
First you show up late, now you don't want to be in the movie? I see how it is.
Not yet.
That's all I
Oh my god! There's a lot. Do you know where you're going? Okay. Got it. Oh my god!
That's a real statue or not?
Ah, yes it is. It's a long house.
It is. Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is really.
The bed.
Under the bed?
Under the bed. Think I'm going the right way?
Oh my god. I hated that.
Oh, that statue is in. Which way? Oh, it's what? Oh,
Jesus Christ! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please follow my socials and subscribe.